herriak ekira baziak, guri esker Frantziak eta Espainiak duzkate dituzten eremu handiak. Eremu handiak, eremu handiak, eremu...
Oh, getting fancy on us.
All right. Would you like to model a beer, my friend?
We are here in Houston, Texas, where we're trying one of their local beers from St. Arnold's. It is called Lawnmower. It is a light, crisp, clean beer. Great for a Sunday afternoon after cutting the yard in a hot Texas summer. And we're going to go ahead and take a few tastes and smells and then give it a grade after
all right. Now, this part is called the first taste.
Alright, let's do the smell first.
All right. What can you tell us about the smell?
Nice and crisp. It's got a nice little hoppy taste to it, with a little bit of wheat in it. Not too bad. On a grading scale from 1 to 5, I think I give it a good 4. A good 4.
Hello, biberón.
It's alright, man. Pretty good.
He meditated a bit.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. What would you say about the taste? Anything? Would you like to
It's not
describe
really
that?
strong at all. There's not too much flavor, but it's, you can taste it there. There's not a strong aftertaste or anything like that. It's a good beer.
Any similar beer that might taste alike? Or the closest, you think?
It's like a, I don't know, man. It's very soft. I think like a light IPA, you know, like something which I'm not into. So
Yeah, that's the thing.
Like a pale ale.
Because I do.
right, it's real light.
I do like the taste, but it has.
Scale from 1 to 5.
Okay.
For
5 being great. 1 being poor beer.
it's at least maybe like a, I guess like a 4. It's not a, it's like not a memorable beer. I mean, but it's agreeable. It's a good beer.
What about the aftertaste?
I don't taste too much of it. I mean,
No, you don't last that long.
Something stays with you, but it's not disagreeable. You know, it's just tastes alright.
All right.